Okay, I can see the problem here that these objects are not moving. Um, those eyelashes are going to be challenging later on, but let's leave that for now. So just first look at the surface. It is part of the skin cluster. I'm going to do Control F9. I'm going to just to convert to vertices, and then Window General Editor's Component Editor, and it's weighted to all kinds of different interesting things. But I would think it should just be flooded 100% to the head. So let's just right mouse click, paint, skin cluster weights, double click, and I'm just going to type star, capital H, head, star to find the head. Head, replace value 1, flood. Okay. And select this, and that is working now. Let's repeat that for this, and that. Double click. Oh, star, head, replace, value of 1, flood. Okay, and yes. No! Interesting. Wait, is there... Oh, I just didn't select those. That's the only problem. I just missed that there was bottom ones also. So same thing. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I don't know why it didn't work when you did it. If you did something differently, I'll go ahead and save this for you in case you want to use that. Number 2. And then other questions. I don't know why the normals flipped. Um, I just, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how it happened or at what point it happened, so it's hard to guess why they flipped. Says you're flooding them with a value of 1. Maybe somehow you didn't have the head joint selected when you did it, or I don't know. Oh, I tried to move on to weight painting the shoulder. When I try to rotate the shoulder, see the weight needs to the shoulder moves the entire body. Moves basically. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the shoulder. Okay. That is looking like just something went really wrong here. That's interesting too. I'm kind of thinking that just not, something's gone very wrong with your weighting. Nothing's working. You just need to bind them again because this is all wrong. Um, so I would just do it all over again. So because you don't have any useful information in the weights right now anyways. So let's select these. Let's just delete history. That'll get rid of the skin weights. And any other history that's on there. AS5. Select deform joints. Set smooth bind options. I tend to like geodesic voxel even though it takes a minute. Okay, let's just relax for a minute. Let this do its thing. Okay. I'm guessing that maybe something you did with the weight painting somehow got rid of all the weights that were sort of done so far, like on accident, like when you're weighting everything to 100%, that kind of stuff. So let's see what's happening here. Yeah, it does that typical squishy head thing. Um, so you'll need to go through that. Um, I can show you real quick, I guess. Let's just turn everything off. Turn on, whoops. Grab surfaces, grab all these surfaces. And then, actually, same as we had before here, we're just going to weight this stuff 100% to the head. But then we have to fix the neck. So let's just for this one. So let's isolate that, and I can close this now and double click on that. And let's just look at star, neck. Oh, we might want chest as well, huh? Okay. So we probably want to look at these. So let's take these. I've selected those. I select the first one, shift select the last, right mouse click, lock inverse selection, because we don't want the weights going anywhere besides these. And let's actually, I kind of want to see the joints. This goes down to here. Okay. So what I might do is select this and better turn these all back on again. Oops. All objects on. I just want the joints as well, just to see. And now I can isolate that just to make it a little easier to look at. Okay. We'll go back and paint weights. Select the surface. Okay. All right. So chest, maybe these first few rows. So whoops. This one, and then grow selection, something like that. Then let's make sure we're in chest, and then replace with a value of 1, flood. And where does the neck joint come up? Up there. So, I don't know, let's maybe put more in the chest actually. I'm going to grow the selection. Oh, it doesn't want to. Let me do that. I have to go back into selection tool. To about there, I think. Oops. Yeah, that looks right, because that's where that neck joint is. Okay. And I'll flood that to a value of 1 on the chest. Okay, and then neck. So neck is really just those next couple rows, I guess. Yeah, and then let's flood that, and then what? Oh gosh. Whoops. Okay, and actually it'd be easier probably to like just gonna, whoops, let me turn off joints here. Select those and maybe, actually I'll just do marquee select so it's selecting through this guy. Just control shift selecting to get these on both sides. I don't know, something like that. Well, hopefully the smooth will solve our problems here. So that's supposed to be this neck part 1. See that length of bone there? So add that one. And then now let's do neck part 2. So I'm probably just going to do this one row here. And that goes around, so that's easy. Flood that. And yeah, we've already got everything else on the head. So head, neck part 1, neck part 2, neck, chest. Great. So let's try. So everything else is locked. And I want to make sure I don't screw up these bottom rows of the chest. So I'm just going to yeah, maybe not even that many. I'm just going to include these. And let's just smooth on each of these. So chest, mode, smooth, flood, neck, flood, neck 2, flood, neck 1, flood, head, flood. Oh, I went pretty far down. Oh, I don't like what it did down here. I'm going to undo that. So let's do this a little bit more scientifically. Because it was doing weird things. Because we just want to blur between each step here. So let's lock these. No. Let's just have the head and neck unlock so it can only smooth between those. So let's go to the chest and the neck, and then smooth, flood. Okay. And then lock this one, unlock that one between the neck and the next one up. Okay. And then lock that one, unlock that one. Because it was putting some of the head stuff all the way down here, and I don't want that to happen. Oops. So you can only put it on that now. Alright. Let's take a look. Yeah, pretty good. Okay. I don't even know why that wasn't even one of your questions, but I got kind of lost in that. So, well, yeah, have a look around. These are tricky. I might have put these all on the next one up. Um, uh, so that would be left, what? No, right. Right. Yeah, that one. Let's just flood those. Replace the value of one, flood. So then it doesn't move around with the wrist. I mean, it twists with the arm like it should, but it doesn't like bend with the wrist. Yeah, I think that's what you want, is that joint there. Anything else particularly weird going on? No, I mean, have a play with it, see if you can find any other issues. It's looking pretty good. So I'm going to save this, and yeah, I'll send that on.